In Japan, scientists have discovered how a special gene called WOX13 affects a plant's ability to regrow shoots, which are like the branches and leaves. Plants, they actually have a superpower. They can regrow from just one regular cell, kind of like a superhero origin story. During this process, a crucial part called the shoot maker is created. Shoot makers are like the plant's magic wand that helps it grow new parts. Now, on the tiny cell level, there are things like genes and proteins that control how much of this shoot maker gets made. These controls can either help or hinder the plant's regrowth. WOX13 is like a stop sign for shoot makers. It makes it easier for cells to do different jobs instead of becoming part of the overall shoot maker. This is different from other things that only stop shoot makers from forming in one particular way. WOX13 does this by working together with another gene called WUS, and they basically tell each other to stay out of the way. This leads to cells taking on different roles, and it even changes the way their cell walls are built. So, WOX13 is a huge deal in the world of plant regeneration. The results of the study suggest that if we turn down the activity of WOX13, it could help plants decide to grow new shoots more easily and improve how well the shoot growing process works. This could be very handy in farming and gardening to make plants regrow the way that we want them to. These are interesting things with JC.